Sentence structures. Making a sentence in English. There are 5 basic patterns in English to make a sentences. Here are them. First one, subject plus verb. Second one, subject plus verb plus object. Third one, subject plus verb plus adjective. Fourth one, subject plus verb plus adverb. Subject plus verb plus noun. Parts of a sentence. First one, subject. Number 2, verb. Number 3, object. Number 4, adjective. Number 5, adverb. Let's see the short explanation of each parts. Subject. The person or things that does something. Verb. A word that expresses an action, occurrence or state of being. Object. A person or thing that receives the action of a verb. Adjective. It's a describing word. It tells you more about a noun. Adverb. Adverb is a word that describes a verb. It tells you about an action or the way something is done. Coming to first one, subject plus verb. Example structures are Melinda reads, Steve sleeps, the boy plays, John is eating. Number 2, structure, subject plus verb plus object. This is the basic sentence structure often used. Example structures are he reads books, I like eggs, John kicks the ball, I like rice, he is eating an orange. Structure number 3, subject plus verb plus adjective. Example structures, Karin seems angry, the workers are lazy, Stephen is busy, she is beautiful. Structure number 4, subject plus verb plus adverb. Example structures, Sana is here, Ricky runs slowly, people are everywhere, Alice skates beautifully. Structure number 5, subject plus verb plus adverb. Example structures, she is my friend, they are teachers, he is a doctor, Jones is an engineer. Hi, dear students. In this video, I am going to explain about basic sentence structures. Let us first look at the basic parts of a sentence. Subject. It refers to the person or thing that does something in the sentence. And verb. In the word in the sentence that expresses an action. In other words, the verb is the doing word. And coming to object, an object is the person or thing that receives the action described by the verb. After the verb in a sentence, now we have explained the sentence. In this sentence structure, let us look at the subject and verb. Here are some examples of the correct use. Subjects, verb and objects in a sentence. She studies science. She is the subject. Studies is the verb, science is the object. Similarly, another example, John drove a car. John is the subject, drove is the verb, car is the object. Not all sentences require an object to be complete. A sentence can, for example only. Sometimes subject and verb. An example of this, Zoe reads. Here subject is Zoe and reads is the verb. Here no object. You can also use descriptive words such as adjectives or adverbs to expand your sentences. Adjectives add further details about a noun while adverbs add extra details. For example, in the sentence roses are red. The word rose is an adjective and red is a add further details about the noun roses. He reads quickly. Quickly is the adverb to the verb. In summary, there are 4 basic sentence patterns in English. So, firstly, subject, verb, object, For example, the professor talked to the class. Here the subject is the professor, the verb is talked and the object is the class. Secondly, subject verb. For example, the professor talked. In this example, the professor is the subject and talked is the verb, but there is no object in the sentence. Thirdly, subject and verb adjective. For example, the professor was talkative. In this example, the professor is the subject and the word was is the verb. Verb is to describe the professor. So, the example, the professor talked quickly. In this example, the professor is the subject and talked is the verb. Quickly is used to describe the verb talked. So, it is an adverb. So, these are the 4 basic sentences